Now, syntactic functions of clauses. Clauses can function as constituents within larger sentences. Clauses can have functions just like noun phrases, adjective phrases, or prepositional phrases. The main functions of clauses include subject, object, subject complement, object complement, and adjunct. Now, here are a few sentences to illustrate. So, the finite clause can function as a subject. For example, that you passed the exam is wonderful. Or a non-finite infinitive can also function as a subject. For example, to love is to trust. And non-finite gerund can also function as a subject. For example, as in passing the exam requires hard work. And similarly, the finite clause can function as a direct object. The non-finite infinitive clause can also function as a direct object. The non-finite gerund and non-finite participles can also function as direct objects. In regards to the indirect objects, only finite clause and non-finite gerund clauses can function as an indirect object. A subject complement can be realized by all forms: finite clause, non-finite infinitive clause, non-finite gerund clause, and non-finite participial clause. Finite clause and non-finite infinitive clauses can function as an object complement. Meanwhile, non-finite gerund and non-finite participials cannot function as an object complement. And finally, the syntactic function of adjunct. The adjunct can be realized by all categorical forms. For example, finite clauses, non-finite infinitives, non-finite gerunds, and non-finite participles. Now let's do this quiz. I'd like you to identify the finite or the subordinate and non-finite and its function in each sentence below. And here are the answers.